In this video we are going to program this class, which is let us close all of them, and then we go to here where it is students. So the student is here. Let us focus here within this class. This is the class we are going to program. About the student. The student has attributes ID of type string, name of type string, and GPA of type double. All of them are private. Okay, so leave the private now and let us program it this way to say, so we have what? We have ID, which is string ID, as normal declaration of class variables here, string, name, and double GPA. I'll put it in small letter GPA. These are programmed now. Now we look at a few of the methods. So there is a method called student. This is a constructor. So some explanation of this I'm going to show you in a minute. Explanation of all these methods, what are the meaning of them. So with this simple structure we have for the student, we have these things. The class cannot be run from here because every driving class should have main, and we create object of the class, then we use it. Let us go to the main class, which is here. It's not the program it has main, but where we have it in the form we can have it. Okay, so probably we can use it within a button or something to create that thing. Let us create it through the button, or we can make it in console. That would make the picture clear. Maybe I will make it in the console in a minute. But now in the form itself, if I create a button, and that button, I'm going to double click here, and I'm going to use here the student. To use the student, I have to create object out of it. So how to create object? Student, let me call it S1 equal to new student, and then we open and close the brace. Jumped, open close brace, because this is a method, and this method called constructor. It has the same name as the class. So here this is recognized because it is within the package, because within this namespace, the namespace up3, which is as folder, contains all the classes. So this is a class, and this is where you create S1. Of course I can create as many as I want of the objects. So this is S2, and I can put here something like S1. It has several attributes. Dot. You see, all should be all the names and here, but they are not seen. Why? Because they are by default. These are by default is not public. You can say private, but not public. If I put this public, for instance, public, then it could be seen from other places. So in this form, you see, if I go and put dot, the ID is appear here. So I can set it and get it and something.